The police are investigating the theft of several items at the Petersfield High School shelter in Westmoreland.
The development comes just days after the local government minister Desmond McKenzie announced that the facility will be closed come December 31.
Jenna Precious has details.
A teacher of the Petersfield High School showing our news team the room which was broken into by vandals. During our visit to the school-turned-hurricane shelter, we were unable to go inside because an emergency meeting was in progress. Days after he gave shelter residents notice to leave, local government minister Desmond McKenzie was back.
The situation is deteriorating here as I speak. There have been a major break-in in the staff room here at the school. They have stolen the school's personal property, including a number of laptops, which is critical to the learning of the students.
It's believed the perpetrators made their escape through the back of the school, where the fence was blown down by the powerful Category 5 hurricane. That area has also been transformed into a space for laundry. According to the minister, the indiscipline at the shelter is worsening.
They have been threatening the shelter managers and the person who are working here at the shelter. The behavior has gone beyond the level that I'm going to accept.
Going forward,
I'm going to request that the police have a 24 hours present here at the school, because I am not prepared to put the lives of the persons who have volunteered their services here to be subjected to any threats, any level of disrespect.
TVJ News has learned that in addition to the over 100 shelter residents, hurricane victims in and around the area are also provided with food daily and are also recipients of care packages. The shelter residents are, however, leveling blame at the outsiders for creating problems. The minister, however, had his own theory.
All because the fact that they are now required to leave the school, government is making provisions for them. Some are willing to go, some don't want to go. And I'm going to say this now. We are not going to compromise any of the 4 positions that was made to them on Wednesday. And if they want to be difficult, I can be difficult too, and I'm going to be difficult. It is unacceptable. It is totally unacceptable. And I'm going to urge them. I hear that some are saying they will block road and they will this. I am not afraid of roadblocks. I'm going to appeal again to their conscience. Let good sense prevail on this matter.
The government announced that shelter residents requiring building material and other items will be facilitated, but those who are not in a position to rebuild will be relocated to a temporary facility being erected by the JDF.
Not because of Melissa we're going to postpone the education of our children. They are operating now out of the church down there. And the school is here. Nobody not putting anybody out. We're not throwing anybody out on the road.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.